Jerla. How to withdraw your XM fund using your GCash. Open to your XM account and log in. And this will appear in your mobile screen. Click the menu button and then click withdraw. This will appear in your mobile screen. Click withdraw funds. And then select the withdrawal method. So if you deposited through GCash, you can also withdraw via GCash. So select withdraw via GCash. Then enter your withdrawal amount in US dollars, and this will automatically convert it to Philippine peso, and then check the withdrawal priority procedure of XM and then click request. This will appear in your mobile screen. Then you can find that your withdrawal request has been accepted and will be processed within 24 working hours.